how about this?
Stop hitting on me.
Hey, like they do in California. California goes, you all walk it and then you go.
Hey, Altai.
Yeah, blood.
Jenna, tell me some drama. I want to hear some OC shit. I want to hear some like Hills. I want to hear some like Kirsten LC shit. Give me that.
Can we just go? With cream sauce.
Yeah, give me that. Hey, Altai, honey's already cracking, though.
Give me that totally do with cream sauce.
Take a picture. Go hit the sign.
Barb cooks it, Nick.
The side. Nick, one time Nick came over for breakfast and my mom was just wearing it naked.
Your mom's fucking hot, dude. Barb? Barb.
She's fucking fine.
Wait, you saw his mom naked?
I remember we saw her at Shoreline, and then
I seriously like looked up my
hey, that's Jenna's mom. I'm like, all right, here goes.
It's like Barb, please marry me. Barb, give me a. Hey, and you were wearing top Give me a Fim Fam Barb.
And I'm one of Jenna's friends.
I was like, hey, Altai.
She did that exact thing.
Hey, Altai. You were wearing topsiders.
Topsiders.
Yeah, blood.
Topsiders. Topsiders.
Skateboarders. Skateboarders.
Top sliders is also the brand name of Pop Cider.
What about bottom sliders, brah? Hey, what about bottom sliders?
So easy, team.
Alright,
Look at the sky.
say goodbye to this earth because we're about to blow up
Look at
in
the sky.
4 minutes.
Nah, that's sketch right there.
Goodbye.
We get 4 minutes. Why are you so?
I'm a suicide bomber.
We got 4 minutes.